Every journey begins with the first step. And the first step is to take a real look at yourself, see where you are, and repent to Allah. All of these things are not just problems you have with other people or with your finances or with your eyes or with your parents. It's a problem you have with your Lord. The first step to everything is to embrace tawbah, to repent, and to admit, and to confess, feel the guilt, and let the guilt spur you to have tears on the prayer mat. And when you have had tears on the prayer mat, ask Allah, "Oh Allah, I'm at the beginning of this journey. I am a waste man. I am a loser. Yeah, I can't handle 5 pounds, let alone 500. But oh Allah, you are the one who took Yusuf out of the well. You are the one who took Moses out of Madian and out of oppression. You are the one who saved Yunus from the belly of the whale. Save me, Allah. Show me the way."